Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. Removing text from a PDF can feel frustrating, especially when you don't have expensive software like Adobe Acrobat Pro. But today, I'm going to show you 3 simple, free, and reliable methods you can use on both your mobile phone and your laptop. Whether you want to delete an entire paragraph, edit portions of text, clean up, or even append PDF documents, these tools will help you edit your PDF like a pro. We'll begin with Google Docs, which works perfectly on both PC and mobile. Then we'll use Tenorshare PDNob, a professional PDF editor. And then finally, we'll look at using Microsoft Word. Stick to the end so you can compare all 3 methods and pick the best one for your needs. The first method is using Google Docs. This method is perfect if you're working on an Android or iPhone and you need a quick solution without installing heavy apps. Start by uploading your PDF to Google Drive. Once the file is in your drive, tap the 3 dots beside the PDF or right-click and choose Open with Google Docs. Google Docs will convert the PDF into an editable document. Even though the formatting may shift slightly, it still makes it easy to remove any unwanted text, format, or even append the document text. Simply scroll through the document, edit, format, and highlight the text you want gone, and delete it like you would in a normal document. After editing, go to the file, tap Download, and choose PDF Document. Google Docs will recreate a new PDF file with your changes applied. This method is best for quick edits both on mobile and PC, especially when you don't care too much about perfect formatting. If your PDF is mostly text, it works beautifully. The second method is the use of Tenorshare PDNob. If you want a cleaner, more accurate, and more professional PDF edit, then this is the method you'll use. Tenorshare PDNob is the best tool for removing, appending, and editing text from PDFs while keeping your layout exactly the same. Begin by downloading and installing Tenorshare PDNob on your laptop. Open it, then import your PDF. Once the document loads, as you can see, there's plenty of tools and features to work on any PDF document. Click on the Edit tab. Tenorshare PDNob will automatically detect all the editable text areas. Just click on any text block, and a text box will appear around it. From there, rearrange, highlight to remove the unwanted text, format, append, and edit any section of this document. If your PDF has multiple sections to clean up, you can repeat the process. When you're done, come to the top left and save the file. This method is amazing because the original formatting stays perfect. It's ideal for business documents, school materials, and official PDFs where you can't afford messy layouts. If you want precision, this is the way to go. The third method is using Microsoft Word. This method is great for Windows users or anyone who already uses Microsoft Word. Word has a built-in PDF converter that can open PDF files and turn them into editable Word documents. To begin, open Microsoft Word, go to File and click on Open. Browse for the PDF document and select Open. Word will display a message telling you that it's converting the PDF into a Word editable file. Confirm OK. Once the file opens, removing text becomes extremely easy. Highlight and delete any part you don't want. When you're done, go to File and save as PDF to reconvert it back into a clean PDF. While this method is convenient, it's not always perfect for complicated PDFs. Some layouts may shift, especially with heavily formatted or scanned documents. But for simple PDFs, Word does the job quickly and effectively. Now that you have seen the 3 methods, let's quickly recap. Google Docs is excellent for free, fast online editing. It's ideal when you're working from your mobile phone and you don't mind slight formatting changes. Tenorshare PDNob gives you the cleanest and most accurate editing experience. It's best when you need your PDF layout to remain professional and unchanged. Microsoft Word is perfect for Windows users who want a simple, familiar way to remove text without installing additional software. Regardless of your device or PDF type, one of these methods will work perfectly for you. And if you want a tutorial on how to remove images, watermarks, or annotations from a PDF, indicate in the comments section and we'll make that in an upcoming video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching.